video, want to tell you a little about my journey of learning English from school until in now college. Actually, I've been learning English for quite a long time because that the learning in at school, but to be honestly back then and did really this much about it. For me, English was just one of the subject that I had to study, just a on the lesson. But when I tried college, I start to listen that English in college important. It's not only about getting good grades in class, but also about helping us in the future as college student. And often see English in books, article, presentation, social media, songs, movies, and even in everyday apps or technology. That's why I start to think that learning English is something useful for me. Even though I know English important, learning is not always easy for me. One of my big challenges is speaking. Some things I know what and want to say, but when I try to say it in English, I get confused. I'm not always sure about the vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. Because of that, I used to feel nervous when I had to speak English in front of other people. Sometimes I was afraid of making mistakes and worried too much about how I sounded. I thought people might judge me if my English was good enough. So, three times one close to stay quiet instead of trying to speak. But even with those difficulties, I still try to keep learning. I learned it from my class, from my lecture, from an segment, and also from small things in daily life. For example, I listen to English song, watch video with subtitles, read simple English text, and sometimes read down new vocabulary that I find interesting. I think those simple habits really help me. Little by little, I start to understand more vocabulary and simple sentence. I also feel happy when I can understand the meaning of a sentence if not translating every single word. For me, those small moments are important because they show that I'm making progress. Compared to before, I can say that my English improved even though it's still not perfect. Now I can understand simple text better. I can know more vocabulary and I feel more comfortable when I have to read short paragraph in English. In speaking, I still get nervous sometimes, but at least now I'm more willing to try. From this journey, I learned the learning English is not only about grammar or vocabulary. It's also about confidence, fluency, and consistency. Sometimes the hardest part is not the lesson itself, but our fear of making mistakes. But I've learned the mistakes are normal and are part of the process. For the future, I want to keep improving my English, especially in speaking and vocabulary, and want to be able to speak more confidently and more natural, especially for presentation, classroom discussion, and maybe for my future career too. I also want to understand English book video better because I know English can give me more opportunity in the future. To improve my English, I want to keep practicing simple ways. I want to learn more vocabulary, listen to more English content, and try to speak more often without being too afraid of making mistakes. I know it takes time, so I just want to enjoy the process and keep improving step by step. So, if I look back at my language learning journey, I can say that English have taught me many things. It has taught me to be friendly, to be brave, and to keep trying even have and feel now or answer. My journey is still going, and I know still have a lot to learn. But I'm happy because I can see my progress. I hope I can keep improving and become better in the future. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.